The big story, the human between sky and earth. You've captured an essential and accurate sentiment about the strength and weaknesses of a culture. Indeed, a culture becomes strong when individuals collaborate and support each other, working towards common goals and shared values. On the other hand, a culture weakens when people prioritize their interests over collective well-being and compete in conflict against one another. In a strong culture where people work with each other and for each other, several positive outcomes can be observed. 1. Unity and cohesion. Collaboration fosters unity and a sense of belonging among the members of the culture. People feel connected and work as a cohesive team, maximizing their potential and resources. 2. Increased productivity. When individuals pool their talents and skills, they can achieve more together than individually. This synergy leads to increased productivity and better outcomes. 3. Positive work environment. A culture that promotes cooperation and mutual support creates a positive work environment. Such an atmosphere enhances job satisfaction and overall well-being among the members. 4. Innovation and creativity. Working together encourages the exchange of diverse ideas and perspectives, fostering innovation and creativity. 5. Resilience. A united culture can better withstand challenges and adversities due to its members' collective efforts and support. On the other hand, a culture becomes weak when people work against each other, prioritizing their self-interests above all else. 1. Division and conflict. A culture that encourages competition and individualism can lead to division and conflict among its members. 2. Decreased cooperation. When people prioritize their gains, they might be less inclined to cooperate with others, hindering progress and growth. 3. Distrust and discontent. Working against each other can breed distrust and discontent, eroding the sense of community and shared purpose. 4. Reduced productivity. Constant internal competition can lead to inefficiency and reduced productivity, as resources are squandered in unproductive rivalries. 5. Limited growth. A culture where individuals focus solely on personal gains may require more collective vision and effort for substantial growth and development. In summary, a strong culture is characterized by collaboration, mutual support, and a sense of unity, leading to greater prosperity and well-being for its members. Conversely, a weak culture arises when people prioritize self-interest and competition, hindering progress and fostering discord. Promoting a solid culture relies on nurturing an environment that encourages teamwork, empathy, and shared goals, ultimately benefiting the collective whole. Thank you for watching.